Hey everyone, welcome to another Let's Draw, and this week I am drawing Dragon Ball. Now, this picture is a fan art based on a video from another YouTuber called MasakoX. Now, what he does is he does like Dragon Ball analysis videos and just talks about like the meaning behind things that happen within Dragon Ball. And he basically, if it's Dragon Ball, he knows his stuff, and I think he's like a member of Team 4-Star. I'm not sure, but either way, I was really inspired by one of his videos, and I wanted to draw a story. I wanted to draw a piece of fan art for him, based on his what if Goku's mother landed on Earth with Goku, and I was so in love with that what if, I just had to do the fan art, and this is basically it really. I haven't drawn Dragon Ball Z in a long while, so it was really good to like sort of get back into the art style of it. It was a bit hard, but I really enjoyed it, and I hope you do, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So now, Dragon Ball is like an old manga slash anime that recently got a new revival, and weirdly enough just finished, and then it's coming back in December with a film, so keep an eye out for it. But Dragon Ball Z was written and drawn by Akira Toriyama, and his artwork is so good. Like, his artwork is so good is that it inspired me to redraw again, because I at one point stopped doing art. Like, I moved on to other things. I thought art was just a hobby, and I just moved on to different things other than just drawing, and I never took it seriously, and then one day I just fell into a bit of a slump, and I just didn't draw anymore. And it was really sad, because I wanted to improve, but I just didn't know how, and I didn't know where to try and find a way to improve, because I was, at this point, my artwork was kind of rubbish, and so basically what I wanted to do was I wanted to, you know, improve on like my art style, because it was really terrible. And so one day I came across Dragon Ball Z. It was like on Cartoon Network. It was like really cool, and it was just starting the Saiyan saga, when Vegeta and Nappa comes in, and like they're kicking the Z fighters' butts and everything, and then you got that classic Yamcha pose when he dies. But yeah, so watching that really inspired me. I was like, wow, I want to draw that. So I did. So I tried to draw it, and it was really hard because I didn't quite understand it. And then one day, a friend of mine came into class, and he showed me something, and it's like, hey, look, I found this tutorial thing because you like Dragon Ball Z, and it was basically a tutorial on how to draw Dragon Ball Z characters, and my face lit up. I was like smiling. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna draw this. So ever since then, it reignited my love for drawing, and like I never stopped since. And so Dragon Ball Z for me is a very special thing. You know, it's like a flame that like keeps the drawing light going, because there's always something new to see, and like I'm always learning something new through the manga of Dragon Ball, and like learning how to pace a comic, and how to draw compelling characters while not overly doing the design of it, you know. So it's really good to like, it's a very good benchmark to like look at and try and get some sort of like inspiration, because like it's not about fighting in Dragon Ball Z. Well, it is, but like for me, like the art style, where it's like it's very simple designs but very detailed, so you know that these are like very well lived, very storied characters, even if you've seen them on for one panel, like, you know what they've been through, because their design just just shows that they've lived a life, sort of thing. And that's what I love about Dragon Ball Z, and that's what I kind of aspire to have my characters be like. So yeah, so Dragon Ball Z is very special, and if you haven't seen it, you should. And if you don't want to, that's fine, you know. I won't force anyone to watch anything that they don't want to. Just letting you know that Dragon Ball Z kind of holds a special place in my heart. So, you know, do what you will. So yeah, anyway, I hope that you like this video. And I hope that if MasakoX ever sees this video, I hope that he enjoys the fan art. And I look forward to many more of his what if stories, and I hope to draw more of these images in the future. So if you guys like this type of video and you want me to draw some more fan art of more like anime and video games and stuff like that, let me know in the comments down below. And if you like the video, hit that like button. And if you're new to the video or new to my channel, you can hit that subscribe button. And remember to hit that bell button to get more videos from me from the future, and notifications from the future, and so on and so forth. I don't know where I was going with that one, but either way, hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell. Otherwise you won't get told that there are new videos coming out. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.